The thing that draws us to the coastal path is to see the amazing beauty, the wonderful scenery. You can see wildlife.
There aren't many other places in the world where one can walk the entire coast path of your country. It's a privilege.
It means so much. I think it's so important that we've had access to the coast for over 10 years. It's such a stunning way to be able to see the scenery and to spend time with friends walking along it.
It's a shining example of what can be done with walking routes when there's a sort of collective enthusiasm to get something done. Politicians were of great help. Ramblers did a lot of the groundwork, and it's now of a huge benefit to Wales for physical health and well-being. It's just such a success story.
For me, I think the coast path is brilliant because it connects so many communities.
It's been brilliant for the coastal communities like Llandudno, where I live, attracting more people in to walk and enjoy the wonderful scenery. And I'm looking forward to finishing walking the rest of it.